Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to block multiple contacts on WhatsApp. First, open your WhatsApp app. It's a simple step to block contact on WhatsApp using an iPhone. Then tap setting is the bottom right, and then from the giving option tap accounts, then tap privacy, and the fifth or sixth option is blocked. Tap here. Now find the contact you want to block, then tap the contact, click add new and search and tapping add more. Now these contacts are blocked on your WhatsApp. Is alternative option is open the chat with the contact you want to block. It will block this number. If you want to block an unknown phone number, then I want block this, and tap the contact name or number and drop down, then tap block business. Block and report contact. If any reason spam, don't sign up, or I am tap spam and tap block. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.